The Southampton International Boat Show is as much about introducing newcomers to water sports as it is entertaining those already in love with them. In our new water sports zone, there's something for everyone.
I've been coming to the boat show for 25 years, and I think this is probably the best layout out of 25 years. It's fantastic.
With lots to see and do in and out of the water, you'll be amazed at how much there is to discover. You might even discover your next passion. Your chance to get out on the water. Come and join us at the Southampton International Boat Show.